I went to the Netherlands for windmills and canals, and left with a list of mind-blowing hidden gems. Forget only Amsterdam. Start in Utrecht. The canals here are 2 levels with secret wharf cellars turned into cafes. You sit by the water, at water level. It feels like a city built on a smile. Then there's Giethoorn, the village with almost no roads. People boat to dinner. Mail comes by water. It's so quiet you can hear ducks gossip. I biked through the Hoge Veluwe National Park, hopped off at the Kröller Müller Museum, and met Van Gogh paintings hiding in a forest art. Nature, silence, perfect combo. Head north to Texel, one of the Wadden Islands' beaches, seals, and skies so wide your problems feel small. Rent a bike, get lost, find pancakes. Zealand isn't just beaches. The Delta Works are giant sea defenses you can walk on. You feel the power of an entire country that said, "We live below sea level, challenge accepted." In Maastricht, I went underground into limestone caves where people once hid art during wars. Above ground, the city tastes like chocolate and sounds like violins. Groningen surprised me. Young energy old towers and the Forum, an angular spaceship where students study with panoramic views climb up. Sunset is free. Want color? Visit the rainbow houses in Houten, then sip coffee in De Haar Castle's shadow. It looks like a fairy tale, but with Wi-Fi. Fields of tulips are not only in Lisse Drive to the Noordoostpolder in Flevoland for stripes of color with no crowds. Ask locals which farm stand sells fresh stroopwafels they know. Eat kibbeling at a harbor. Try raw herring like a pro poffetjes for dessert. Then take a ferry, any ferry, because in this country, the water is a highway, and the journey is the point. The Netherlands isn't small. It's concentrated. If you slow down, it opens up. Pack a bike bell, a curiosity mindset, and a rain jacket. The rest, you'll discover. I'm going back. Want the map? Say the word.